This is huge in the past 7 days. 3,629,262,808 Classic has been born by the community, has been born by Terra Classic. Wow, in 7 days, 3.6 billion coins. As of 2 days ago, it was about a billion, okay? And as of 7 days ago, it was about that should be as in 756 million. But last 2 weeks, it's actually about 256 million. So these have actually these have continued to increase. Though we all know this for 7 days, the reason for this 3.6 was because of Binance burning. The reason for this 3.6 because of Binance massive burning. So this is not going to be the same in the coming week, because remember, it's always first or second of every month that you see Binance burning in huge coins. So, but I'm happy because I'm very happy that Terra Classic is going gradually, it's growing gradually, and Binance have not stopped. They keep supporting. So these 7 days, in the past 7 days, we have achieved something good. In the past 7 days, Terra Classic have achieved something good. So they will keep on pushing, they will keep on rising, and let's hope for more burning. Let's hope that Terra Classic time will come with that Binance monthly burning. I mean, normally every 7 days they will be able to burn 10 billion or 12 billion. So at least normally. So I believe with time gradually. And now I'm happy because most crypto coins are doing well. Bitcoin is about to cross $40,000 within the next 3 months. But I don't think 3 months is quite far. I believe BTC can reach that 40,000 even this new month, because more cash flow is being pumped into cryptocurrency. And more trading. A lot of people actually started trading back again. So many traders are back online trading since Bitcoin hit over 100%, and I'm happy. So I believe 40,000 maybe this month, and then next month, August, BTC to 45,000, 50,000. Then September, October. By October, I believe Bitcoin can reach at least 50 to 60,000, and before the end of the year, I believe towards 60 to 80 or $100,000. So cryptocurrency, that's a good news for this year, especially for Bitcoin. You can see something good is coming. Something good is coming towards cryptocurrency. Well, let's hope for the best. Once again, thank you for stopping by.